Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are gonna do a little unboxing type thing with Fashion Nova. This is not a sponsored video, but we just thought we would show you guys stuff I just got from Fashion Nova. So I just received a huge package from them to take Instagram photos. So I was gonna show you guys like what jewelry I pair with it and the type of Instagram photos. Brooke takes all my Instagram photos. Yep. So she's gonna take you guys along and show you like
what
certain locations in my house and the outfits that I have. I'll show you guys what I got and then I'll show you guys the ones that I choose to shoot in. Brooke dyed her pink.
I did.
If you didn't notice.
I got really bored and was like,
it's not a wig.
No, it's not a wig, it's my hair. I said, why not? My hair's grown out, I have nowhere to be.
I love it.
It's shampoo, so it's gonna wash out.
She told me to dye my hair pink. I was like, I'm too scared. My hair would fall out. This is like all her natural hair, like no extensions or anything. So my hair would probably, I'd probably be bald.
But why? It doesn't,
like little
it's
hair.
Shampoo.
I don't know if I
you can do
see
it.
myself with a pink hair.
I'm like the wild one.
Mm-hmm,
I say yes to everything.
Yes.
We know this.
Yes. So yeah, we're just gonna show you guys what I got and what we're shooting in, so stay tuned. Okay, so we're in my glam room. It's not decorated yet, but I have a little closet and I keep all my promotions that I do on Instagram in here. So I hung up everything from Fashion Nova, so I'll just quickly show you guys the stuff that I got. These are all the things that I actually picked on the website that I like, so they don't send me random stuff, I get to pick it. So these are some outfits that I love, and then I'll shoot some, maybe like, how many? Like
today?
Yeah, maybe like 5 or 10.
Whatever you need.
We'll show you guys. So I'll just show you guys quickly what I picked out. So this is like a little tiger dress. Yeah, it's cute. Brooke doesn't like it. With like little sneakers.
I mean, are we going to Jamaica?
No, but I just thought like this would be cute for
okay, we have to see it on. We have to see it on.
Okay, so this one.
Okay.
So then this
super cute
tie-dye like little dress, plain. It's spaghetti strap and you can like make it shorter.
So cute.
So then this, I got a lot of tie-dye, and this one that I'm wearing right now is Fashion Nova. I'm not gonna shoot any content in it, but it's like a comfy little set. I'm loving tie-dye right now, and they have a bunch on their website. So this is like a little mini skirt, you know, like this, high-waisted with like a matching little tank top. Do you like this?
So cute.
It's like a little bralette with a skirt.
Love.
So we'll shoot that for sure. Then this is just like a plain dress. I don't think we'll shoot in this, but it's like has a little slit like in the back side.
Oh my god, I love it. Why not?
It's kind of,
you can dip on the
like,
back side.
Yeah, little booty type dress. It's thin and it's comfy. This one's cute, I thought. With like little sneakers, but for Instagram it says honey down it.
Cute.
So a little matching skirt.
It's like tennis vibes, love it.
And I'll put all these on and show you guys, but just for now I'm gonna show you.
Oh, off the shoulder.
Off the shoulder with honey.
Tie-dye.
More tie-dye. It's like little biker shorts.
Very cute.
With this long sleeve. Tell me which ones I should shoot in. So it's like this long sleeve, so it's off the shoulder. Should I shoot in this one maybe?
I don't know, I have to see that. I'm so confused. Where does your arm go?
Or maybe we can do biker shorts and no top. Cute. Next, I got this little tie-dye dress. I feel like you would wear this. If you were
You got all tie-dye?
Yeah, I got all tie-dye.
Your whole newsfeed. I love that.
Oh, this is really cute. It's backless.
With my pink hair.
Yeah.
So cute.
And it's like flowy, it's girly, it's, maybe, I'm not gonna shoot in that though, I'm gonna save this. Okay, so then this is kind of cute, like a back shot. This is like a jumper, and it has biker shorts, so it's like a one piece. It looks super short, but once you put on it stretches.
Yeah, you've never worn that before.
That's kind of cute, I thought maybe from the back. So we'll do like these two lingerie pieces. So this is like little bottoms, black, matching top, just like a plain, all black.
Cute.
Pretty cute. And then this one's more like a red one, maroon. So a little bralette.
Cute.
And then the matching bottoms, like this with lace in the back. This is like a little beige swimsuit. It's super plain with like some gold jewelry. I thought it would be really cute. It's actually
so
the one
cute.
That it's in red that we just did for the try on haul for the bathing suits.
So cute, and like we can do it with Jordans.
Yeah, cute. Then this little cheetah, I love cheetah bathing suits. This one's cute, and you can make
this is deja vu from our last video.
Yes, little triangle cheetah with matching bottoms like this.
Cute.
Simple black bathing suit's always my favorite. So this has like a little tie, triangle.
Ooh, we could do Jordans too.
Yeah. And then just like simple plain bottoms.
Very cute.
So those are all my favorite. That's kind of like maybe what we'll shoot, give or take a few.
Right.
Dresses, so this is like a little dress. You can make it short or long.
I literally love that.
You do?
Yeah, I like that one a lot. It's so like Kim
This
Kardashian.
one doesn't look that cute on
Oh my
here,
god.
But you can cinch it up and make it. And
Are
then
you sure
can
that's your
wear
size?
Wear it off the shoulder. Yeah, it's a small. Okay. And then a little tie-dye one, and you can like cinch this, and this goes up. So which one should we start with that I can put on? Clothes or bathing suit?
Whatever you want.
We'll start with this shooting.
Perfect. And she's gonna do it with all of this stuff.
Yeah, so these are like my favorite little hoops that I wear in all my photos. So maybe with this we'll do like some gold. So maybe just like gold hoops.
Yeah, perfect. Hair up.
Hair up. I'll just wear my hair up in all of them.
Okay.
So this is my first. Is it cute?
So cute.
So like a little skirt, and I put it more short with my hoops. And then the back is just plain.
Oh, it's cute. Like it like has like a little.
Yeah, it's like a little dip.
Yeah, cute.
This goes up. So I'll take a little instant pic in this.
Perfect. Yep.
This is this one little off the shoulder honey with a skirt, and I actually folded it under because it's supposed to be like this.
Oh.
So to make it shorter, I just went like that. Crosses or gold?
Gold.
Gold. My hoops in. I love hoops, as you guys know. In every one of my Instagram photos, I'm wearing hoops.
Really?
Yeah. Where should we take this one? Maybe downstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so maybe here?
Yeah.
Little bathroom. So this is this one, a romper. So it's tight, strapless.
I like it.
Back is like shorts.
You've never worn anything like this
I know,
before.
it's kind of cute. I'd wear like a little tie jacket with like Nikes or something.
So cute.
Maybe like the flea market or something. Maybe like this little chain necklace.
Okay.
Something chunky. Good?
Cute.
Cute. Bikini.
Cute.
Plain. You could tighten a bow, but I just left it down. And then just like little triangles. Adjust them to be small. Sometimes I take out the padding too, just because I like how it looks better, but I kept this one in. This is my full outfit.
Actually my favorite.
So Brooke's idea, put the little socks.
And these glasses, so cute.
Okay, so picture. Right here, you think?
Real life. Instagram.
Cute.
So cute. This is my
Yay.
favorite look.
You like the glasses?
I love it.
Okay, next one. Okay, so this is my next look. It's a little beige bikini, nice and simple and plain. I just put with these glasses and then the same hoops and necklace. So we're gonna take it on the lounge chair.
You should tan right now.
Okay, tanning. Oh, the last one is this little maroon lingerie set with a little bit of black lace. Straps. I don't know if I'm a fan of this. Do you like this? Crisscrossy?
Yeah.
It's okay. I'm not gonna turn to the back because it's a little bit see-through. But should I keep these hoops?
I would do silver because you've
Silver.
done gold.
Yeah, I've done these ones for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to my bathroom. I put these little silver hoops with it. Cute.
Yeah. Cute.
So this is my bathroom.
So cute.
Yay, that's a wrap. Guys, so that's it for today's video. We hope you guys liked it.
That's literally what we do. We just like go around finding every little area.
And she's a creative one with the socks, with
Yeah.
the shoes,
I try
with
to
the
like spice up
sunglasses. Yeah.
the Instagram.
Because normally my Instagram pictures are like all the same. So you helped me get a little creative today. So hopefully you guys like them, and make sure to follow my Instagram and her Instagram, and you guys can see some of the pictures. I'll put our Instagrams right here.
Yeah, and like you guys saw what we do and how we took the pictures. It's kind of cool.
It's literally like you guys were here.
Yeah.
So anyways, today's post notification shout out goes to Katie Goodrick. So shout out to you, and whoever else would like a post notification shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, turn on our post notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and comment done down below.
Yep.
And we'll be shouting someone out new in each video. So anyways, that's it.
Still quarantine.
Still quarantine. I guess it's gonna be longer than normal
Yeah.
than I thought. So yeah, we
Stay home.
Stay home. Stay healthy. Stay busy. And
Yeah.
time will go.
I really haven't been bored.
I know, neither have I. Because we've been doing like YouTube videos.
Yeah. Like we
Other
actually
stuff.
have like stuff to look forward to.
Yeah, for sure. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video.